Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about what to consider before investing in Helium. So make sure to watch the full video. Qualitative data. The Helium concept is the most ambitious we have seen in blockchain since the advent of smart contracts on the Ethernet platform. Helium represents a fundamentally new approach to deploying and managing wireless networks at scale, an approach that radically reduces the cost structure. Product. Helium aims to create a global network of highly reliable, distributed IoT devices supported by a community of HNT owners. The network is composed of nodes, hotspots, managed by node operators who are, in effect, HNT owners. By deploying the hotspots and managing the nodes, users are incentivized to participate in the operation of the network. Wi-Fi already supports IoT devices. However, supporting as many different devices as possible raises privacy concerns, and Helium solves this problem with a decentralized architecture and consensus-building mechanisms to provide 200 times the network coverage of Wi-Fi for IoT. Team to build the world's first peer-to-peer wireless network. Helium has assembled a team with diverse but complementary expertise in wireless technology, hardware technology, manufacturing, distributed systems, peer-to-peer technology, and blockchain technology. Amir Helium, CEOs and co-founder. Amir is the CEO and co-founder of Helium, and prior to joining Helium, he had a long career in the gaming industry as CTO of gaming startup Diversion and as part of the original Battlefield 1942 development team at DICE in Stockholm, Sweden. Outside of work, he is a former esports world champion, co-founder of the popular esports community sreality.com, and collects and races Japanese sports cars from the 1990s. Mark Nadim, Technical Director. Mark Nadim is a technical leader with more than 25 years of experience. His experience ranges from marketing research at Hewlett-Packard to leading technical and development teams for various products and services at Qualcomm. His focus is on design, scalability, and sustainability of products, software, and development teams. Besides being a typical Dutchman, he enjoys driving fast boats and spending time outdoors with his wife and dog. Frank Moan, Operations Director. Frank Moan is Helium's COO and is responsible for sales, marketing, and business development. Prior to joining Helium, Frank had 20 years of cybersecurity experience, including CMO at Hortonworks, SVP of Marketing at Palo Alto Networks, and VP/General Manager of Security at HP. Board of Directors and Advisors. Armstrong, Partner, Khosla Eric Dresselhuis, former Vice President of Sales and co-founder of Silver Spring Net. Sean Fanning, Founder, Helium, Gap, Method, Snowcap, Napster, GOTS. Founder of Invisalign, founder of Soda Rock. Vinod Khosla, founder of Khosla Investments. Jacqueline Rousage Cross, Munich Re/HSB. Aaron Levy, founder and managing director of Boxes, Pokenchols. According to the cryptocurrency Digital Coins HNT price forecast, the Helium should reach $50.13 by the end of this year. According to the HNT 2025 price forecast, the coin should reach $90.39. Gov Capital's long-term forecast is even more optimistic. According to the HNT 2022 price forecast, the coin will peak at $139.86 in November. Despite the recent price drop, algorithmic forecasting service Wallet Investor has made a bullish price prediction for the HNT cryptocurrency, calling it an incredible long-term investment and adding that its long-term return potential is 98.16%. Token economy. The Helium token has been designed to meet the needs of two key aspects of the Helium blockchain ecosystem: hotspots y operadores de red. Hosts can benefit from HNT when deploying and maintaining network coverage. Enterprises and developers use the Helium network to connect their devices and build IoT applications. Los creditos de datos son tokens de valor útil en dólares estadounidenses derivados de HNT en una transacción. De como y se utilizan para pagar las transacciones de tráfico de datos inalámbricos en la red excluyendo cosas como añadir puntos de acceso y descargar datos. Economic concept of the HNT fiche. The Helium blockchain uses 3 different economic token concepts to ensure that the supply of HNT is sufficient for the needs of the network and is relatively scarce with a known maximum value. Let's take a closer look. Maximum supply. At the launch of the Genesis blockchain, the Helium network was targeting 5 million HNT per month, while after the community-approved HIP-20, the Helium blockchain used a 2-year plan to have the maximum supply to 2.23 million HNT. The halving of HNT will begin with blockchain and will take place every 2 years according to the following schedule. Data credits and the economics of depletion. As mentioned above, data credits are usable tokens equivalent to the USD received from HNT in a burn transaction and are used to pay all transaction costs on the Helium network. Data credits always have a value of 0.00001 USD. Alternatively, you can always use 1 USD to buy 100,000 data points. However, as mentioned above, data credits are generated when the CNT is burned. Of course, the market price of CNT fluctuates. This relationship between CNT and CC is generally referred to as a burn and cast balancing scheme, which is designed to ensure that the supply of CNT matches network usage trends and that this relationship between CNT and CC is generally referred to as a burn and cast balancing scheme, which is designed to ensure that the supply of CNT matches network usage trends and that, once balanced, the number of CNT available is constant from month to month. The number of data points generated by burning CNT fluctuates up or down depending on the dollar price of CNT, as reported by the CNT cashier. Let's look at some examples in the chain. Net emissions. At this point, the astute reader may ask the following question. If the supply of HNT is limited to 223 million units, and the network is constantly burning HNT to generate data credits that can be traded, will there ever be a shortage of HNT? Yes, this is where the concept of net issues comes in. HIP-20 introduces the concept of net issues in addition to the maximum bid. Net issuance allows us to have enough HNT to reward consensus group members and hotspots without limitation. The best source of information on this issue is the comprehensive analysis of HIP net emissions, but we will briefly review it here. Con las emisiones netas. La cadena de bloques leva la cuenta la cantidad de HNT quemada para obtener créditos de datos en una época determinada, y la suma a la cantidad de HNT minada en esa época. For example, if 10 HNT are burned for data credits in an epoch, there will be 10 more HNT in the system in that epoch than expected. Recruitment and strategy. The Helium network, also known as the People Network, is a decentralized wireless network that connects devices such as smart fridges, pet collars, and rental scooters to the Internet of Things, IoT, enabling their geolocation. The network is protected by the Helium blockchain, which will become a proof-of-stake protocol from summer 2021. That the IoT ecosystem is growing, but real growth is hampered by the need to connect these devices to the Internet via mobile and satellite technologies. IoT devices need cheap, non-broadband Internet connections to send and receive data to and from the Internet. Mobile and satellite communications are the traditional technologies that provide such communications, and high capacity requirements, high costs, the need for contract-based payments, and low coverage are factors limiting the expansion of the ecosystem. A Helium network is a collection of access points installed by individuals around the world. It solves the problem of IoT devices using satellite and mobile technologies by providing a low-power, low-cost peer-to-peer wireless network that operates on open standards with privacy protection by default. This allows IoT devices to be geolocated and send and receive data wherever they are or wherever they want to be. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.